Hey, what's up guys, it's Vineet and you're watching My Next Best. In this video we've got Johgee Smart Water Timer. That's it's as the name suggests, it's a smart timer that enables you to schedule your irrigation in your lawn, in your backyard, back garden, or plant, whatever you've set up in your garden, and it integrates with your Google Assistant or Alexa device that allows you to smartly schedule your irrigation, or you can use voice command to turn on and turn off the water in a hose or in a sprinkling system, whatever you've got really. If you're aware of the Smart Life app, it connects to that via this Wi-Fi hub, and it's got Bluetooth on the water timer that connects to the main water supply, and then you connect to the hose that takes you to your sprinkling system, and then that allows for the irrigation system to work automatically or via a schedule that you'd want to adopt. That's automatically, but you can also use that use voice command, and I can demonstrate that in this video today, how that works. So for this video we'll just quickly do the unboxing, and then we'd sort of expand as to see how the automation or the voice command stuff works. So on the box we've got some information: normal cycle schedule, up to 20 tasks that can be set up. It's IPX5 waterproof, and there's a water flow limit 13 liters per minute, which is 33 liters per minute. 13 liters to 33 liters per minute, I beg your pardon. On the left we've got model information, SOP 18 watt, 18W or 18 watt, 4.5 to 45 degrees Celsius, IPX5 waterproof, 0.05 to 0.8 milliamp hour. Two 1.5 watt AA alkaline batteries are needed to be installed on the water timer that gets connected onto the main supply and the water hose, and the Wi-Fi hub connects directly to the main supply. I'll show you that, that's in the box. And external thread, 3/4 inches of external thread. On the left side, app control, manual watering, drain delay, auto scheduling, and then the shipping or whatever this serial number is, and it's eWet Master Consulting, made in China. Okay, let's open the box. There we are, and what do we have inside? We've got the Wi-Fi hub, as you can see here. It's got the brand information, Johgee, which you might be able to see now, I suppose. Okay, it's got Johgee name on there, and this is pretty much the information for power supply, 1.8 to 3.3 volt. Wi-Fi frequency is 2.4 gigahertz only. It's not a 5 gigahertz, of course. You need a higher range, a better range that allows you for a maximum distance while you're connected. So that's the Wi-Fi hub device, and you've got the water supply, which has got Bluetooth in it, and you've got the main hose connector. That's a filter that you've got in this pack. There's some reading manual, as you can see. They're getting a bit bright, I think. Okay, and user manual talks about the hose faucet timer, range 50 feet without interference, and outdoor usage, 1-year warranty, and how you install the Smart Life app. This is the QR code for that. Once you've installed it, press the button, keep it pressed. Obviously you need the 1.5 volt batteries installed. Press this button, keep it pressed, and it's going to be in the pairing mode while you've connected the Wi-Fi hub to the main power source. Once that's done, it's going to automatically be added. You need to select the, where's that gone? You need to add, select the add new device, and then you need to add, one sec, it's this specific item that needs to be added. Add new device goes socket gateway BLE, so you need to go to the BLE specific connectivity, which is Bluetooth connection. Once that's done, the Wi-Fi hub gets added automatically, and with the Wi-Fi hub, you'd also want to add the Bluetooth device, which connects to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connects to your home Wi-Fi, so you can remotely connect to the device. This connects also to your phone whilst you have got your Bluetooth turned on, so you can obviously turn on the Bluetooth and then control this. You don't need a Wi-Fi, but you need a Wi-Fi to connect to this device remotely, because these two devices are going to be paired to each other whilst this connection has been set up. So this is more important really, because for me, to be honest, if I have to travel elsewhere and I've also got the water irrigation set up, I'm just going to use my app, and I'm going to quickly turn on the Smart Life app, connect to this sprinkling system, turn it on, and it's going to start to water. Uses the internet broadband connection really that you've got, and this sort of information, how do you connect to Alexa, how do you connect to Google Assistant and things like that, and this is pretty much the same information in different languages. And that's pretty much it in the user manual, nothing else in the box, empty box in here. Let's look at this device, Johgee Irrigation Timer SLP18, that's the model, water outlet 3/4 inches external thread, that's the top one, and that's how you connect the main supply. And the model, the bottom is pretty much the standard connector for the hose. Made in China, FC, CE, and the recycling information on here. That's pretty much it. If you wanted to look at, oh, I'm sorry, it's not going to open. The one that gets opened is this. So you just gently take it off, and you need to look at the battery installer. This is where you'd install the two AA batteries. Put the two batteries in, press the button, and you'd then be connected to the then you get the Bluetooth connectivity option, and you need to, if you see these two arrows there, all you need to do is ensure that the two arrows are together. That's when your device is going to be locked. So you go to the bottom, turn it around, and that's when it's locked. It's a waterproof device, IPX5. Because it's IPX5, it's not IPX7 or IP68. That means that it is still prone to water if it's in rain and things like that. So you can go through water splashing and things, that would work, but you obviously need to make sure that it's not drenched in water or it's not submerged in water. So for that, I'm going to quickly show you how I've set up my sprinkling system. This is the other device I just wanted to use for the review, but just so you know, this is the smart water timer. It works perfectly. It's immaculate device. It does work perfectly fine, and it gives me an absolutely perfect implementation or setup that I've got in my garden. Just quickly before we get on to the physical setup, I'm going to quickly show you how it's been set up. This is my Smart Life app. I've got all these different devices that I've got, and this is where you've got these two devices set up on the Smart Life app. Whilst you need to get on to add the device, you need to add the device and select the socket BLE. This is the one that you need to select, and then you need to press this button, keep it pressed, and then this gets added, and the Wi-Fi hub gets added as well. Okay, so in terms of how this is now set up, I've got my Wi-Fi connected. This is the main screen that you'd get once you've paired these two devices. This is the irrigation device. I press this play button, and it's going to start to sprinkle in my garden. I'm going to show you that in a bit. As you can see, it says smart water timer, the valve's turned on, and if I press this again, it's going to be turned off. I've got some schedulers set up got some schedulers set up through today, so this would help to automate the sprinkling. What else? We've got some temperatures going at the top. It uses the weather through the internet. Uses that just to show you that that it's going to probably rain. It's not going to rain. So if it rains, you obviously don't need to probably modify the scheduling system. So how do you do that? Press this button and weather delay. If you wanted to delay this the sprinkling by 24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours, depending on the weather, you could do that, and that would then automatically stop the schedulers, and that would enable you to use the rainwater and things. And that's the app really. The Wi-Fi hub is just a sort of a dumb setup which has got just the Wi-Fi, the water pump added, and you can also add some other devices. I have no idea what else this supports, but for now it's the water pump, which works seamlessly so far. I would want to sort of see if there are any other Bluetooth devices that can also be set up on this Wi-Fi hub. But for now, it's just the water pump, which works perfectly. Okay, let's go. Without any further ado, let's just go outside, and I'll show you how I've set up. I've got a poly bag that packs this thing up. Obviously, considering the IPX5 rating, we just quickly just look at how this has been set up in my in my home. Okay, as you can see, we've got the smart water sprinkler. I've tied this in a bag and screwed it up to the 3/4 inches, connecting to the main water supply. This is the button here. If you wanted to bypass the schedulers or the voice assistant, you could just press this button and it's going to work. As you can see, it's turned on, and the water supplies through the hose, and it's in the garden. And if you press this button again, it turns off. It's obviously got its own batteries that you need to sort of replace frequently, but it's not as frequent. I started off at 85%, and now it's 83% in 1 week, so it's fairly decent. It probably would last me a couple of months, hopefully. And let's go to the sprinkling system, and then I'll show you how I would connect this via my phone for the moment, and then we could use Alexa device to show you how that would work via voice assistant. Okay, so we've got the sprinkling system, as you can see there, and we've got our phone. Maybe worth sharing is at the moment focused at the sprinkling system. Okay, so there we are. I'm going to just quickly press this button. It's connected to the Wi-Fi, although the range is quite weak, but I'm hopeful that it's still going to work. Pressing the button, as you can see, the sprinklers worked, turned it on, and obviously it's an oscillating sprinkler, which means it's going to come to me as well. So I'm going to quickly just turn it off, press this button again, and that should turn it off. Well, cool. That's how it works. Press this button again, and you can see it's working, and it's going to come to me now, so I'm going to quickly turn it off. Fair enough. Okay. Let's just use the Alexa app and show you how the voice command is going to work. Okay, so now we are here with on my Alexa app, and I'm going to quickly say, Alexa, turn on my water pump.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off my water pump. Before I get the rain. So there we are. Turns off, and the Alexa device, obviously previously connected, does do the job. It's on the phone. Obviously you can use the speakers as well. Okay, so here we are back indoors, and we've seen how this works whilst in operation. We've seen the voice command. It was brief, but this is how it works. It's fairly straightforward, the setup, and obviously if you've got a lawn, if you want if you've got any water specific irrigation requirements, and it's not a hard task, and you want it to be managed remotely or schedule the irrigation, you can definitely use that. And it's not specifically for the irrigation needs. You can also use it to store water, add water to your hot tub, for instance, or or whatever else you'd have requirements as to use water, cleaning your car, or whatever else. But it's quite intuitive, quite useful, because you can use your phone, or you can just literally remotely enable the sprinkling system, or the water hose being turned on or turned off. Saves a lot of water. It's quite conservative in terms of the amount of water you'd use. The conservation of water does work fairly well. The schedulers pretty much limit the water consumption or the irrigation that you'd want to put onto your lawn or your plants, or whatever you're growing in your garden or in lawn. So it does work really well. And I think that's pretty much it for this video. If you've got any question, any specific question for me with regards to this video or with regards to this product, do let me know. Do post in the comment section below. I'll be glad to help you out if you need. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Guys, the subscription really means a lot. It does help me massively. It does not financially help me. It basically helps, motivates me to continue to make these videos, help you out with these smart tools and gadgets that can be brought to every household, really, to make lives easier, life simpler, and yeah, really work together as a community, rather than having to find some of the good products. In fact, you guys can also make videos. But yeah, do subscribe to my channel. That's going to massively help promote my channel, and I'm going to be making as many videos as you'd like. Probably send me, yeah, in comments, send me specific products that you'd like to be reviewed, and I can try and get specific ones that I'll be interested in as well, obviously, to be reviewed on my channel. And that's it for this video, really. As I said, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and share this video if you think it's useful for others as well. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys, and I'll see you in my next best. Take care. Cheers. Bye bye.